Our vinyl sliding patio doors open up a world of possibilities for all your homeowners' projects. Our doors are nearly maintenance-free forever. With a full range of design options and integrated installation features, they are engineered for error-free installation and ultimate customer satisfaction. All of our patio doors have fully welded frames and panels and come pre-assembled for easy installation. Interlocking reversible panels allow for the moving panel to be either left or right and helps prevent air infiltration, resulting in industry-leading performance, helping reduce homeowner energy costs. Our top-of-the-line Series 332 sliding patio door has a built-in nail fin and 4 9/16" jamb for ease of installation, and boasts a design pressure rating of 50, which is great for coastal applications. This door is available as tall as 8 feet in 2-panel doors, and widths up to 12 feet wide are optional in 3 and 4 light models, making it the perfect choice for houses with tall ceilings and wide openings. And a dual-point keyed lock and heavy-duty screen are included with each door. The Series 312 sliding patio door with its built-in nail fin is a perfect solution for any opening. It also comes standard with deluxe color-matched hardware and a keyed lock. Offered in a range of sizes, this sliding door can be ordered in 2, 3, and 4 lights. And a heavy-duty screen is also available when a sturdier screen frame is desired. Our 311 sliding patio door has an attractive beveled edge exterior and is economically priced. Available in 5-foot, 6-foot, and 6-foot 4-inch widths. This door is fully welded, and the moving panel can be on the left or right side, and a screen is available for order. We offer a full array of options, with something available to meet every homeowner's style and energy efficiency need. Our 332 and 312 series are available with blinds between the glass. This option is offered in the 6068 size and can be ordered with the 312 series 9068 3-panel and 12068 4-panel doors as well. All doors can be ordered in white or with interior or exterior laminates and painted exterior colors. Blinds, operators, and glass panels are available in white only. When a more elegant look is desired, almond and clay vinyl colors are also available. And if the homeowner is trying to match a specific interior or exterior design, 9 painted exterior colors, 3 interior wood laminates, and bronze exterior laminate are also available for order with the Series 332 and Series 312, along with brass, brushed nickel, or oil-rubbed bronze hardware. For a more traditional feel, choose 1 1/8" simulated divided light grids applied to the inside and outside of the glass. A pet-resistant screen designed to resist damage caused by household pets is also available. And the 332 can be purchased with a J-channel for ease of installation and a foot bolt lock for added security. All 3 doors can be ordered with energy-efficient low-E glass to meet Energy Star guidelines in all parts of the country, and a choice of flat or contoured grids between the glass for easy cleaning. Patio doors are an important part of any home's design. Whether your homeowner is searching for a stunning new color, improved energy efficiency, or a stylish update, we have options to meet their needs. So whenever sliding patio doors are needed, bring your customer our industry-leading selection. Simple to install and engineered to deliver the quality and energy efficiency that homeowners value. And they can feel good about their purchase. All our doors are protected by a limited lifetime warranty.